This week we will study Chapter 15, the job search, resumes, and cover letters in the digital age. Read the chapter and take the quiz. You may take the quiz as many times as you want to earn 100%. Yellow Dig this week, I will post on getting a job with no experience. This is a common question when students are searching for their first real job. The short video discusses several issues that first-time job seekers face. Some required specific education and training as well as experience. You may have the education and training, but what about experience? We'd like to hear about your experiences and thoughts about this dilemma. You may respond to this post, make an original post, or choose another topic. Earning points for Yellow Dig resets on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Be sure to earn your 1,000 points for the week by then. As a reminder, you can earn up to 1,350 points per week to catch up or work ahead. You'll be guaranteed an A in Yellow Dig if you earn 14,000 points by the end of the semester. All quizzes, exams, assignments, and Yellow Dig are due Sunday at 11:59. They are not accepted late. Be sure to submit and them before the due date. The first assignment is due this week for the employment unit. This project is a major portion of your grade this semester, approximately 25% of the semester total. This week you will need to conduct a job search. First, assess your current skills and find a job description on HireLion that matches those skills. Best practice? Use the link, watch a video on how to use HireLion. You will save quite a bit of time by doing this before you begin your job description search. You can find link to HireLion in the job description assignment details and in the job description assignment. This job description will be the basis for the rest of your employment unit assignments. Failure to submit and work off the submitted job description will result in major point deductions. This assignment is due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Even though the final resume is not due until the end of week 13, it is needed to complete the other assignments. For instance, the cover letter is due week 12, but you cannot complete the cover letter without knowing what's in your resume. Use the link to access Skills First Resume Builder. Best practice? Watch a video on how to use Skills First. You will save quite a bit of time doing this before you begin writing your resume. Completing the Skills First Resume Builder, you will have a very good idea of what will be in your final resume. Keep in mind that all assignments are based on the job description you will submit in the job description assignment. As you progress through the employment unit, you may change your mind about the type of job, part-time, full-time, internship, you may want to use for the documents. Feel free to upload a new description here if you find something new, but be sure to direct all your documents towards the new job description. Assignments coming up are the cover letter, reference page, mock interview, and thank you for the interview. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Scroll down here. We're going to go to week 11, and I'll click on that. And you see you've got your instructor guidance, which you're watching. That'll also have a podcast that gives an overview of the chapter. You got the book, you've got your PowerPoint, you have the quiz. Then the job description assignment, click on that. We can come over here and we'll view the instructions, and it'll give you a little background on what you're supposed to do here. And then once you get the job description, you can copy and paste it in there or do it on a document and paste it in there or load it in there. And so let's come over here. We want you to look at the HireLion tutorial. So if you click on that.
Hello, my name is Alex Gandy. I'm the Director of Career Services here at Missouri Southern State University. I'm excited today to talk to you about some of our online.
Okay, then you're going to get Alex talking about that. Then we're going to have the Skills First Resume Builder. And same thing here. We'll go ahead and start that.
Hello, my name is Alex Gandy. I'm the Director of Career Services here at Missouri Southern State.
And he's going to talk about that. And then lastly, we have resume skills tips here, something that may be of interest to you to read. But if you work on these two things, I think you'll be in pretty good shape going forward. Now, remember, we have more assignments coming up in the weeks. And so the more you set up for on what your job description is and have your resume put together, the better off you're going to be. And then, of course, we have Yellow Dig Engage, and click on that, and you can. This is very important. You are required to submit your draft resume by email to Career Services at careerservices@mssu.edu by Sunday, March 30 at 11:59 p.m. In a professionally worded email, explain that you are in Professor Myers' class and ask that they review your resume. They are aware of the assignment and need time to review and respond to you before the final submission due date. Career Services will email back your resume with suggested changes. You will need to make those changes and save your final resume as a PDF file. Be sure there are no typos. Any typos or mistakes will result in loss of points. When employers are looking at resumes, they will dismiss a resume which has mistakes. Failure to work with Career Services will result in a 0 for this assignment. Very important. Get your base draft resume submitted to Career Services by Sunday, March 30 at 11:59 p.m. So that's all I have for instructor guidance this week. If you need to contact me, you can do it through messages or email myers-d@mssu.edu.